How's it going, guys? Went out for my first run this morning at 9:30 in the morning. It was blistering hot. It's still very hot now, but I'm loving it. Trying to get my tan on without using any sunscreen. None of that nonsense. Everybody thought I was crazy going out for a run at 9:30 in the morning. But it was good, felt good. Wasn't as fast as I normally am. I just took it easy and I could feel that I was struggling. Mainly because I think I had gluten wheat products on my flight over, and I had some tortilla wraps or rotis at my auntie's place, flour. So over the next 2 weeks I gotta get the gluten out of my system, and then I'll be able to run a lot faster. So I ended up doing about 5k, maybe just over 5k. I'm not sure. I'm not concerned about the distance. I'm just concerned about the time I spend pumping the lymph in my body, which the goal is to remove all the acid in my system, all the mucus, all the toxins, get that out. And of course my weight loss goal is still on. I'll weigh myself and show you guys how much I've come to Zimbabwe weighing, and by the time I leave, how much I weigh. Now my sister, after not seeing her for about 5 years, she's vegan as well, but she's put on a bit of weight, and she gave me all sorts of reasons why she put on weight. But the body never lies, you know. The fat you eat is the fat you wear, period. And also, while talking to her, she said she gets tired very quick, and she gave me a few other symptoms that she's feeling, and straight away I picked up that she's also got a gluten intolerance. She says her throat gets tight and wheezy and she can't breathe. That is just a classic example, and she breaks out in a rash here, along here, down her thigh. Classic example, as well as feeling groggy, feeling sleepy, depressed, not wanting to exercise, waking up in the morning, aches and pains. Classic gluten intolerant symptom. So without going to great length of getting her tested and examined, it's free to do the elimination diet, the process of elimination, where you take out the suspecting ingredient and eat everything else and then put it back in again. So over the next 2 weeks I've convinced her to stay away from all wheat products and all other hidden sources of it that are found in things like ketchup and mustard and soy sauce and vinegar. And she also had some innocent looking vegetarian sausages, and she was like, oh, these are fine, these are vegetarian. And I just pointed out, look at the ingredients. You got wheat flour in there, gluten, so put those aside for the next 2 weeks and see if she starts to feel better. So I'll keep you guys posted for that. Now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm sitting on the veranda, and it's nice and hot, just a light little breeze. But to sit here, I gotta take some mosquito repellent, rub it all over me so that the mosquitoes don't get a hold of me. And for lunch I had 5 to 6 apples. Oh, lovely bird just flew past. 5 to 6 apples as a mono meal, as well as a large glass of fresh orange juice. my 1972 Datsun pickup van. Still in good nick, runs like a charm. Just eating through some butternut squash, some salad with avocado and carrot, and some spinach. Homegrown, yummy, yummy. I'm sitting under some clear blue hot skies, punishing a watermelon. Come on, my brother.